Hi guys, Daniel's here. Welcome back to my channel. My face is a little bit crazy. Yes, I know. So I have decided to recreate this look that I found on Instagram. This makeup look was featured in Gucci Fall and Winter 2018, and it was originally created by Melovemealot, which is a Korean visual artist, and she was the one that created the wavy eyebrows trend. As you can see, the result is pretty okay. I can totally go out of the house looking like this. It's perfect for, everyday grocery shopping and, maybe picking up your kid, nephew, cousin, whatever from grade school. In this video, I will show you step by step how to get this look. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, let's start with the base. I am using the NYX Total Control Primer Drop. Just got this. So far, I liked it. It controls the sebum that builds up around my nose area, and it keeps my foundation stay fresh longer. So we're gonna just do 4 drops. I am going extreme today because I'm just looking at the viewfinder instead of a mirror. How brave. I'm just spreading it around my T-zone area, around my nose, and just kind of pat it in to help fill in the pores. I'm actually not sure how this is gonna go, but we're just gonna roll with it. And for the foundation, I'm using the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid, and my shade is medium light. Shake it up a little bit, and I'm gonna apply, not a lot, just a tiny bit on the side of my face. Blend it out with my fingers. I find blending this foundation with my finger works better than a brush or a sponge, because I feel like the warmth of my finger helps this product sits on the skin better, like it melts into the skin instead of looking cakey, since this is a full coverage foundation. So far so good. I'm just blending it out. I'm using a concealer to kind of, lighten up the surrounding areas of my lips. Then I'm using the Face Shop CC Concealing Cushion. It's kind of gross because, I've been using this for a long time. But let's just hope that it works. I'm just gonna dot it along my lips. So now that my lips are done, I'm going to set everything with a powder, and wow, this is Powder by Glossier. So now that I set everything with a powder, I look crazy, but we are going in with my eyebrows because I just want to get it out of the way. So I'm using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. First, need to brush the excess powder and foundation out of my eyebrow hair. And then I'm going to brush the hair of my brows up with a mascara. This is Pink Pewter mascara. It has 2 sides. This one is the extreme voluminous side. The base is done. We are going to start drawing flowers on my face. Draw flowers right here around this area. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more, and we'll speed up this process. So now I got the base done. We are going to line it with a liner, and this is the Ciate Starstruck. it's a double liner, so one side is a stamp, which is like star stamp, and the other side is a felt tip liner. So I'm going to use the felt tip liner side to, you know, draw in the details. So I'm going to zoom you guys even closer and just speed this process up. I'm in focus. Okay. Once we put the liner and add in the detail, it looks more vivid and it looks more like flowers than this side, which is just shades and colors. So with that said, I'm going to finish this side. You know what, let's pop a little bit of highlighter on because I feel like we don't have enough highlighter. So I'm using the Glossier Halo Scope in the color Quartz, and I'm going to precisely add it on my nose right here. Like I did the flowers here to kind of contour my nose as well, as you can see. And a little bit here. Almost done, almost done. I just have to do my lips. I am going to use two colors. This one is the By Beauty matte lip crayon in the color Amaretto, and it's kind of like a perfect nude for my lips. Try not to add a lot, I just add a little bit, as you can see. And then I'm going in with a lip tint, and this is the Color Lasting tint from Aritum, and the color is number 15 Gotham Red. It's more of a burgundy red color, and it makes my lips look bruised. It doesn't look as bruised as I want it to be, so I'm going to add a little bit of a purple eyeshadow. I'm gonna finish everything off with a little bit of mascara, and using the same mascara, I'm using the other side, which is the curling side. It has like a little ball here, but I don't use the ball part, I just use the other part, and I'm just adding. So there you have it, a look inspired by Melovemealot from the Gucci fashion show. It's fairly simple and fairly fun to do. You just need a little bit of color and a good black eyeliner, and I hope you enjoy. This is like the first time I actually did a makeup tutorial that is like this. You know, like usually I would just do my normal everyday makeup, but this is something a little bit more, I don't know, interesting. I actually had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.